Okay, so I just got this error in Slack from Orchestra, and I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you how you can use Orchestra to automatically recover from the point of failure. So I've been quite naughty. I've created a new deal, but I've not done the data quality. So there are a few fields missing. And when I look in the Orchestra DAG, that actually kind of looks like this. Um, so you have the DBT logs where you see the failing tests, and then to understand what's really happening, you can expand the lineage and then see exactly what's going on. You know, this deal step shouldn't be null. So I know what I've got to do. I've got to go in HubSpot, sort that out. So let me do that. Okay, so I'm in HubSpot and I can see that this isn't working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the fields that I should have added before. And now the data quality is sorted. Cool. So going back to Orchestra, um, you can rerun this from the point of failure. So here we're just going to run this little test. So we can see our little ingestion sync with 5chan has been skipped. This is still going to fail because the data that's in HubSpot hasn't automatically gone to our data warehouse. But I just wanted to show you what this looked like illustratively. If the data was sort of moving in a sort of more streaming fashion, then the data would be in the warehouse, and then doing this would work. So this will run for a bit, and then I'll come back in a sec. Cool. So now we can see that this has retried and it's failed as we expected. But we've just run this test, which is pretty cool. Instead, really, what we need to do is rerun this from the start. But yeah, that's how you can retry pipelines in Orchestra. If you want to find out more, check out the links below.